In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signature in DocuSign. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, where you can create and manage envelopes, documents, and signature requests. If this is your first time using DocuSign, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout, because that will make the rest of the process much easier to follow. From the dashboard, click Start, and then choose Send an Envelope. This option opens the workflow for preparing a document that you want someone else to review and sign. In DocuSign, an envelope is simply the package that contains your document, recipients, and signature fields. Next, upload the document you want to send. This could be a contract, agreement, form, or any other file that needs a signature. Make sure you're uploading the correct version before moving on, since this is the document your recipient will receive. After the file has been added, enter the signer's name and email address. This tells DocuSign who should receive the document and where the signing request should be sent. Be careful when entering the email address, because even a small typo can delay the process or send the request to the wrong person. Once the recipient information is in place, click next to open the document editor. This is where you'll prepare the document for signing by placing the necessary fields in the right locations. The editor gives you a visual view of the uploaded file, which helps ensure everything is positioned clearly and correctly. At the top of the screen, select the correct signer from the recipient menu. This step is important, especially if your envelope includes more than one recipient, because each field you place must be assigned to the right person. Then, look to the Fields panel on the left and find the Signature tag. This is the field the recipient will use to add their electronic signature. Drag the signature tag onto the document and place it exactly where the recipient should sign. Try to position it neatly in the intended signature area so the document looks professional and is easy for the signer to complete. When everything looks right, click Send to send the document for signature. DocuSign will immediately deliver the signing request to the recipient's email inbox, allowing them to review and sign electronically. That's all it takes to send a document for signature in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.